want to eat. And I eat. Vagahau and welcome back. Here for morning walk with my mum, o hui. Toe uha, lahi e. The rain is pouring. Si lilu mai maua. Just neke ngangau te. But yep, here's the talk of this morning is the blood sugar levels, blood sugar, diabetes. So, ha.
Koe fua vai suka. Siwi vai suka ma tau kau. Koe type 2 diabetes au. But I manage a level of suka to koe hawa e ke huki. Hai. Toto haki maoni. Tio ki mai ke sia hae masini ne mai he tore tā ke fua ke suka. Ai ke tau sia ke huki matalima ke sia koe whihe tokorunga he suka haka he pum nei. Tō taha e lahi he suka haka. Hei. Nei ke tupu ake tuku e monei, se osi moea, tuku pehe. Toto ni karima.
Here we go again.
Toto ni karima.
Fihe oi hong fu mata hapuen hong mata hapuen seven logoka ine afi hong fu ma tolu ai ne po hong ma tolu ai mitaki kai
Hifo ki lalo
hifo ki lalo fia laga hako ke he ono Fitu waru, toko runga ngai ani, wharumongo hake e suka haku he siwi ua fu. Se koe, ka ai leweki e suka haku tō, mai ake he ngangau suka ke whakamao mai asibiri fu ki haku, mo e tawhua iwi, mo e liver. Haia marakau, kia whia te pumpon, Liu te tungai ke tu. Ke siwi ka osi liu ke siwi ka osi potwhat. Ke siwi foki tō kai. Haia, hia, ka koe aiki o te o hui ke tō tahe uha. Neke, tāwa si liu mai ke ngā ngāo. Si hake mai foki e ini hako. Ako liu mai te maua mone, ke fue e breakfast. Ke tō uru sina.
Oi. Mai ke Vagahau palangi ke mama e kau e lautolu.
Oh, what you have seen is me testing my blood sugar level, right? And it's a good way to monitor the level of sugar in your bloodline. So this morning it was 11.7. Yesterday, last night it was before I went to sleep.
Hong fulu matulu.
Yes, 13.5. So it sometimes is like that, it goes up. But I'm happy because it had gone down to 11. Normally it's 16, 17, even 19, 20.5, which is very, very high. If I don't control my diabetes, it can damage my heart, my liver, and my kidneys. So it's so important. And plus, I need to monitor what I eat too. So yeah, and I know there's quite a few of us Niueans. I'm the only one in my family who have diabetes. None of my children yet, and also my husband or my brother and his children. It's just me. Maybe it's a good life eating lollies.
The chosen one.
Yeah. Yeah, good life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I really need to manage my diabetes. I'm type 2 diabetes, and I take metformin every morning twice. One in the morning, one in the evening. Yeah. So thank you, and that's part why John comes to take me for a walk. It's part of my way or strategy also to reduce the sugar level in my blood. Okay.
Oh, liu te ki ohuki, ohui foki. Mau te uha. Rain has stopped.
Rain.
So, o maua ki whale ka loa. What's your strategies again to fight the diabetes?
Monitor what you eat.
So what are you monitoring?
The food, because there are certain foods that you eat in moderation, but
what are you looking? What are you?
I'm looking at, like, for me, I don't eat white bread now. I don't eat white bread.
Oh.
I eat brown bread,
Como?
or I don't eat any carbs at all. I kaio he tō wharawa sea.
Yeah.
Which is really hard. I love to toast the white bread for breakfast. I don't do that. Kaya kini manakai ke tau veggies.
Yeah.
So there's no carbs, just veggies. Drink lots of water.
Oh.
Go for a walk.
Yeah.
And follow the advice from the doctor to drink your medication.
Ole. Metformin.
Yeah, metformin. And also, I know for some people they don't like to prick their fingers, but for me it's important, so I can see and know where I am with the sugar level in my blood. I also visit the doctor 3 months just to check and have another proper blood test just to check, because as I said before, if I don't control my diabetes, it can damage my heart, my liver, my kidneys, and other things on top of it. So it's important to be mindful of eating, exercise, good rest, drink lots of fluid, and reduce white bread. That's me, hakoia.
Hakoia. Yeah, so check the sugar content in what you eat.
Yeah.
You got fast sugar, slow sugar. The fast sugar is like sugar that just goes straight to the bloodstream.
Yeah. Takeaways.
You got other types of sugars in food, but that's released slowly.
Yeah.
So it's not released so fast. What's another thing? Another thing that you could do is reduce the stress.
Yes, reduce the stress, but that's life.
That's just life. Yeah. Yeah.
Feeling stress is your body telling you need to slow down. If I really feel really stressed out, I know that my body's telling me something.
Yeah.
Something is not right. So I need to find something that makes me happy, like walking.
Yeah.
Whiawhia ke whanahui, ka haua John ke o hui e maua. Si whanahui tu mau he tau pongi, hawhe tu la ala ke whanahui.
Yeah.
Whanamoa glis ke whanahui. Si osi, si whana glis e anga kai. Hau ki kaima.
Yeah.
Si koe o hake maua e ke pack and save, hako mau e uha, ke whakatau mai tō pok choy ke kai aki e uru sinapa ha kua moho. Koe kai pungpongi e ia. Kai he uru he supo sinapa. Haia. Ringa tō tahi ringa afua e aho neha no anu ke langi. hang hak maoni ko. So you look at the sky, it's getting clearer. Ai tonga ni nei ne kamata mo ke o hui ko toi uha.
Yeah.
So ko liliwa ke o hui. O haki hui ai ke peke sai cleanliness. Ke whakatau mai tau pak choi ke tun ke kai ak snack bumpung. Kaya.
There you have it from the Niue expert. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment, leave a like. Oh, no. We'll go back and take some videos of the kai pung pung.
Yeah.
Right. We're in Pack and Save now, buying our fruits.
Good food.
Yeah, these are the foods we want to eat.
Okay, this is where mom comes to her shopping.
So this is where my mom comes for her shopping. This is what she's trying to eat. That's bok choy for the
Never had one for John, one for me. Taha ni taha. Hiya, so may ni mo ke.
yeah, that's the foods we want to eat.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Pork.
Meat also. Taki foki tau pua pala kula he kai ke lata me supa. Si pia ni me tau pua pea. Mi taki foki tau pua la tau e ke kai ke lata me supa. Si ko longa te tau e au e tau pua pea. Snack me tau pua pala. Koe o mai hui e. Koe mai hui e ke whakatau he pok choy he monga ne mau e uha ke ut ke. Tūnua ke sinapa ke kai pumpung. So yeah, there you have it. The type of foods you should be eating. Alright, ai mena kai ke kai maoa ke combat diabetes. Gee, muka.
Hai koe urusi, ai koe matapatu urusi napa.
Gee. Shee.
Tuku mai ka piniu hao ma John. Ai urusi napa John. Hai foki, hai tau pok choy ha mau ni haki ta mai ke shop. Hai ani I ronga. Hai kai ana ha John.
Whakau e lahi. Oh, shee.
Ha koe a share. Ha koe a share ke e kai he pong. Hai Hai si mala ke kai aki. Hai ko si te kai ha mo he rionge John ke whakamuri nei kai kia. Hai Taki na kai ha ma John?
Mi taki.
Yummy. Kai pumpung ya. Hanga mai pihi mon. Hanga mai pihi.
Yeah.
Kai ko kai te ai he sinapa. Ke breakfast kai ke pok choy e ne tamai he shop ke kai ko e nai e men ke kai aki. Tunga na ha John, hai ko nai kai ha John. Kai John e u tawala he uruika. Kai ai to whakawaha i tō tahe lahi e ika mo ne kai. Hei anga ia taha ika uruika foki I loto he ulo. Kai mo la ia ai.